That's so cool how they go for it.
One more.
Koi.
Give it to him. Go ahead. There's 4 of them right there. Now they hungry.
He likes grapes. Nope.
Give him the peanuts, Shark.
Peanuts.
Another one's coming.
Look at this guy. So we're all being quiet, but keeping it to ourselves.
Here you come, Koi. Koi. You gonna feed them? There's a lot over there. They're all coming out now.
You like grapes?
Hi, guys. Good morning.
Ooh, this one likes grapes.
I gotta take what I can get.
Is that the bee?
I like fruit.
I'm trying to, I can't because I got the can in my hand. I can't get down there and record. Alright, here we go. Hey, buddy. He's tiny. Shane, he loves you. He's like, yeah, girl. Give me more.
Maybe I like grapes. Got an itch.
Here. I have a peanut. Here, do you like peanuts? Come on. Here you go, guy. Do you like them? Right. You don't have no more?
I'll have grapes.
Here.
A couple peanuts.
Here, there.
What's this one?
There. Do you like grapes? Would you like to try a grape? Here. Oh, he likes the watermelon. Another one's coming.
I don't have any more.
Here.
All I have is 10 grapes.
That's it?
That's all I got left. They don't want it.
I'll give you one more peanut.
Right there.
Here, there. Sorry, that's a perfect video. Here, there.
You gotta go pick it.
What about grapes? Do you like grapes? Uh-oh. Here.
You got a camera?
Hold on, buddy. He likes grapes.
I know.
Okay, he likes grapes. He took my grape. Yay. He's smashing it. Everybody left, now they're coming out. You're not taking them?
I think they might fight.
Let me go. Sorry. I didn't mean to cut you off. Come on.
They don't want them grapes.
Alright, so I'm just gonna leave the grapes for later.
Oh, that one.
Okay, I got you, my boy. Here.
Look,
I got a peanut.
look. It took all my bin.
I remember you with the eye from my last video. I visited you before, my friend. Do you remember me? It's you, my friend. I gotta give you a name. I know. We reunited.
Oh, the little guy.
Should I give him a grape?
So, yeah,
If he likes it. Give him the peanuts in your cup, boy.
Oh, you got peanuts left?
Yeah.
Give me. I only got 2. Here, give me peanuts. You good?
Here, there. Oh, sorry. Hey, buddy. What's your name? What should we name you? Ricky. Remember? Oh, that's my coworker. Remember I had Ricky the raccoon as a kid?
Yes, you did.
Your name's Ricky. I have a coworker named Ricky. Oh, he touched mine.
This is mine too.
Scared me.
Sorry.
Alright, I have a few more and I'm done.
Great fires.
Boy, got some?
Sorry.
Here, there. This is my last one. Go back up.
There's majority like peanuts.
Yeah.
You have peanuts there?
They like peanuts. peanuts.
No, yeah. Take it, peanut.
Yeah.
It's okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. They keep grooming each other. Try that little video clip you got right up in the camera was good. I'm starting to sweat. All right, I got one more peanut and I'm done.
How you doing?
Huh?
How you doing?
I wasn't feeding them for a while.
Oh,
I was trying to let y'all go first.
you can do a lot. I got some.
All right, here goes.
I have 2 more. Go get this one.
Go ahead, go ahead.
It's busy. Still on each other. Hey guys. They're cleaning each other off.
Oh, that scared them? Or you stay there? Where are you going? Ricky. This one has the cutest color in his tail.
Isn't that one?
What you name her?
Chloe.
It looks like a Chloe. I'm so happy we came. It's better than hearing the drill. Here you go, Ricky. Come to me. Is that you?
Put it down more, bud. And do like this to the ground.
They keep grooming each other.
Yeah, they do.
They're in love. I'm surprised you're not fighting. Last time they was fighting.
One tried to fight in front of me, shy.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I heard that hiss.
Stop grooming.
Here, big
That's
guy.
what we do in the morning, but y'all came and interrupted us.
Word, they're like, we gotta finish it now. I'm still in the mood. It's behind you, bud.
Oh, they're grooming.
It's behind you, buddy.
Surprised you're not on the tree.
I'm gonna leave all these grapes, okay?
I did. I threw mine down. I think I'll get hungry at some point.
There you go. That one's gonna probably take it from me. That one's the eater.
They're over there?
Oh, yes.
They're like, oh yeah, I'm tired of peanuts. I just got one more. Give me another peanut back here. Who wants one? You? Oh. Leave them on the floor for them. Hey, groomer. Would you like one? Hi. That's Ricky. Ricky, get off of her, you freak. What's up, buddy?
Sure, we can. Shut up. Just call him Freaky.
Freaky. Freaky's but freaky. With the freaky eye. Yeah. Come here. He's like, no.
Ricky, the guys are done? That won't take it.
There's probably more over there now.
12.
Yeah.
Awesome. Just don't
Here.
act them. Put them on the
Just put him on the ground. It's a peanut. You're full? Alright. There you go, buddy. He's running. Alright, guys. Nice to see you.
Awesome. Yeah.
Has a whole slice of bread.
He said,
I'm gonna get a pet raccoon, bro.
I mean, it's nice.